Okay, so before starting, I want to ask you a question. How many of you are full-time students here? Full-time means studying full-time. Okay, so I might have a few pointers that will help you with your studies. So, greetings and salutations, my dear friends. Today, I, Alankrit, am here to deliver on the speech on the topic of the art of learning. So, humans, we start learning at a very early age. We start learning from infancy, then we learn in schools and colleges, and it is a lifelong journey for all of us. But many a times, students, they find it hard. They struggle with learning the new concepts or memorizing some things. So, and the traditional methods, they have proven to be a bit ineffective. So, we have to do it in a smarter way. And if you have to do it in a smarter way, we have to understand the mechanics, what goes beyond the learning process. So, we have two modes of thinking. One is the focus mode. Here, you put in the study hours, focus, and undivided attention to try to understand the concept. Now, in focus mode, you have the existing patterns already embedded in your brain, existing neural patterns, and you use those neural patterns to study a new concept or tackle a problem. Other than that, there is also another mode of thinking, and trust me, this is a very undervalued thinking, which is the diffuse mode of thinking. In diffuse mode, the brain, it works at a subconscious level. You are not working on a problem, but still your brain is processing that problem. Now, in this diffuse mode of thinking, you might come up with a solution while having a shower or taking a walk. You are not currently involved, you are not consciously involved, but your brain is still processing that information. So, the idea here is to use the combination of both focus and diffuse mode of thinking. You have to switch from one mode to another to, learn a new concept. Let me suggest you an exercise. Let's for example, you are studying a concept or tackling a different, very difficult problem. So, just try to think about the exact problem that you're facing right now. Just try to think, and then you can go. Then you can go for a quick nap. Set a 5 to 10 minutes timer. Then what will happen? When you enter the sleep mode, your mind enters into the diffuse mode of thinking. Now you have switched from focus to the diffuse mode. After the timer, it will ring, and you'll wake up. You'll be back with the information that your brain has processed, and it is still not forgotten by you. And you can often come up with very innovative solutions, and it has helped a lot. So what is the difference between these two? So in the diffuse mode, the brain, it tries to come up with the unfamiliar concepts, and then it leads to the existing neural patterns in your brain. So you have to work both ways, as I said. And furthermore, now you have done the learning, but now you have to do the practice. Now practicing something, what does it do? It forms the chunks in your brain, which strengthens the neural patterns, and these chunks, they are a compact information that you can just access whenever you are restudying a concept. So before practicing, just try to recall each and every concept that you already know about the topic, and then restudy the topic, and it will just strengthen the neural patterns in your brain. Apart from that, sometimes people, what they often, they often come at a problem, they arrive at a problem, you learn something, you have practiced it, but now you face a problem known as overlearning. It is a phenomenon known as Einstein. So in that, what happens is, when you overlearn something, your patterns are so much strengthened that you ignore the chances of a better solution to a problem. Now, this problem can also be resolved. It can be easily resolved. You have the process of interleaving, in which once you have learned a certain approach to a problem, you just try to think of the different possible solutions that you can tackle with the problem. So, in order to summarize my speech, we have the two modes of thinking, and to learn anything, you just have to switch from one mode to another, keep on switching. So as to, form the new neural patterns. And then we have practice, and also in practice you have to do spaced repetition. Either instead of going on a one go, just spread that revision time over a long period of time. Then we have spaced repetition, and after that we have Einstein, which can be easily be overcome with interleaving. Thank you.